Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. After receiving an overwhelming response on my last makeup tutorial, I was keen on making another one. So here I am. In today's video, I will be trying out a new makeup, like a lot of new makeup, and everything that I will be showing y'all will be under ₹500. So this video will be apt for beginners as well. And yeah, if you want to know how I created this very wearable skin like everyday sort of a look, then please keep on watching. I'll start off by shaving my face. Usually I shave my face a day prior during night time, and then I follow it up with my skincare routine or sheet mask, whatever I feel like. Unfortunately, I was short on time and yesterday I couldn't do it, so I will be doing it in front of you guys right now so that even you get an idea as to how I shave my face. I'll start off by applying some aloe vera gel near my upper lip and lower lip area. I do not shave my face dry, otherwise I experience those rashes and red bumps, so it just doesn't work for me. So if you are somebody who is facing the same thing, try doing it this way. But first, before applying my aloe vera gel, I will sanitize my shaving equipments, which is this eyebrow shaver and this upper lip shaver as well. I'll tell you all more about this. Let me just sanitize first. While these razors get sanitized, I'll quickly apply aloe vera gel around my upper lip and lower lip area. You can take any aloe vera gel for that matter. I'll apply a thin layer of this. I'll take this tall one to shave my upper lip and lower lip area. This is more convenient to do that. Also, I do it in an upward motion is because that is something that has been working for me for the past 2 years. So I am going to do that. You can do it the way you like, but this is something that has been just working for me. I take the smaller one to shave my eyebrows. This just gives me better control and more precision, as it is easier to get in the corners and everything. So yeah, I'll just do that. For my eyebrows, I do not use an aloe vera gel. I do it just like that, and that is something that works for me for my eyebrow. Also, I quickly wanted to address a few myths running around this topic called face shaving. Now, I have been using a facial razor since almost 2 years now, and I have not experienced anything like dark hair or thick hair. And I think only people who have hormonal issues, you need to consult a dermat before using a facial razor. Other than that, I think face shaving is the most hassle-free and safest form to remove your facial hair, and you do not have to be dependent on somebody, and you can just quickly do it yourself and be on the go. Moving on, I have an acne prone skin type which is extremely oily. Now specifically in my case, due to the excess sebum production, I tend to break out time and again. Also, I have to wear masks all day due to my office, which runs 6 days in a week. So what masks does is that they tend to trap in the oil, sweat, bacteria, which ultimately results as a breeding ground for breakouts. For the longest time, I've been wanting to try out a face wash that has mild active ingredients, something like salicylic acid. Now, for all those of you who don't know, salicylic acid is a BHA, which is beta hydroxy acid. What this particular ingredient does is that it targets enlarged pores, blackheads and acne breakouts, which is something that perfectly fits my face requirement. And one such face wash that I came across is by Dermaco. It's their 1% salicylic acid gel face wash, and this is how it looks like. This has ingredients like salicylic acid, willow bark, witch hazel. What these does is that it penetrates deep within, clear out the sebum actively and makes room for new cell growth. Now this particular face wash has a gel consistency and has 1% concentration of salicylic acid, which is pretty mild and safe to use. Few things that I love about this face wash is the fact that it is extremely lightweight and almost has no fragrance. This dissolves in the skin easily and clear out clogged pores, which eliminates acne causing bacteria. Next, I always use a facial rose water toner just to maintain my skin pH balance. I'll quickly spritz it. You can use anything of your choice. Now, since earlier we had shaved our face, one thing that is very important after using a facial razor is moisturization. If you do not moisturize, you will experience rashes, and I don't think anybody is looking for that. So today I'll be using the Dermaco's 1% salicylic acid oil-free face moisturizer, and this is how it looks like. This is relatively a new launch, but I've been trying it for a while now, and I think I really like this. This moisturizer is enriched with hydrating and soothing properties of oats, keeping your skin supple without any greasy residue. Now, this face moisturizer can be used in conjunction to the salicylic acid face wash. These two ingredients are a great combination for treating pimples, active acne and blackheads. How I like to use the face wash is I use it twice a day for all days a week, and how I like to use the facial moisturizer is I use it twice a day, alternative days. That is something that works for me. Now, all Dermaco products are designed using scientific ingredients which are safe and effective to use. Most importantly, they are an honest brand. They disclose the percentage of active ingredients used on their packaging itself, which is a big thumbs up. I have a coupon code which will fetch you a 20% off if you shop from their website. I have it flashing on the screen somewhere right here. And this coupon code is just for you all. I am not going to earn anything out of it. And yeah, you can shop Dermaco products from Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa. Moving on to the most crucial step. आप सब छोड़ सकते हो but ये नहीं छोड़ सकते हो, especially since we have already shaved our face and used a few active ingredients. We have to just top it off with a sunscreen. The one that I've been loving is again by Dermaco. It's their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. I can safely say this is by far my most favorite sunscreen, and I want to include it in my favorites list already. So whenever that video is coming up, this is already getting included. I absolutely love it. अगर एक चीज आपको Dermaco से try करना हो ना, try this. I love it. I'll just show you the consistency. This is how it looks like. This is very lightweight, very lightweight. I'll just dot it all over my face and apply a generous amount. This does not leave white cast, which is so important, and it just easily gets dissolved. मतलब पता ही नहीं चलता, इतना amazing है, especially for people who have problems like अरे मैं sunscreen लगाती हूँ तो बहुत sweating होता है, so I just avoid it. Please try this. One thing that I always follow is I let my products sink in. Like each layer, after applying each layer, I give in 2 to 3 minutes to just let the product sink in, and then I apply the next product. You'll see a major difference while applying your makeup or in general as well. So please just give in 2 minutes to let the product sink in.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget.
With that, we come to an end to another makeup tutorial. I am loving creating these looks for you all. Let me know your thoughts, let me know what you would want to see and anything in general. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.
I would.